In this session, I'm going to explain few advanced object snap. Let's start with the parallel. Suppose I want to make a line which is parallel to this existing one. So we need to click the line command. Now AutoCAD prompts you to specify first point. I will click here. Now I want to draw a parallel line to this line. For that we need to type par on your keyboard and press enter. Now go on and move your cursor following this line, then come back to your line. As you can see, tracking vector is shown, which indicates the exact parallel line. Now enter the length of the line, say 10 units, and press enter again to finish the line command. As you can see, these two lines are parallel and their unit is of 10 units each. Let's check it. Type li for list and press enter. Click the object and press enter. As you can see, the length is 10 units and the angle is 30 degree. Same way you can check this. Type li, enter, select object and press enter. As you can see, everything is same. Next we will look at a perpendicular line. Let's say we want to create a line which is perpendicular to this line. So select a line, then specify first point. To make a perpendicular line, type ber on your keyboard and press enter. Just move your cursor. Notice that a marker is shown with a right angle triangle symbol and press enter. And enter again to finish the line command. And enter again to finish the line command. Now the angle between these two lines is 90. Next we have extension. I'm going to draw a circle in the alignment of this line at a distance of 5 units from this end point. For that I'm going to take a circle command. Click on. Now it is asking for the center point, but before that we need to take extension. For that type ext and press enter. Now go on from this end point, drag your cursor a little away. A tracking vector is shown. From here you can add a distance from the center of a circle to end point of the line. Let's say I want a distance of 5 units and press enter. As you can see, a center point of the circle is selected. Now we will enter a radius of the circle. Let's say radius of 3 units and press enter. So if you check the distance between the center of this circle to end point of this line, it will be 5 units. Let's check. Type dist and press enter. Click first point from this edge and second point in the center. Now you can see the distance between these points is 5 units. Next we have these two lines which are perpendicular to each other. Suppose I want a circle at the center of these two lines. So select a circle and press enter and type app, that is apparent extension, and press enter. Now move your cursor to this line. A marker is shown. Click on, and this line also click on. Then the center point of the circle is automatically selected. Now you can type the radius of the circle, say 3. Now if I extend these two lines, it will intersect at exactly the center point. Let's check. Take extend command, click this line and this line. As you can see, they intersect at the center point. Next we have meet between 2 points. Suppose I have these two circles and I want to draw one more circle in between these two circles. For that I will click circle. Now it is asking to select center point, but before that I hold shift key and right click of your mouse. This object snap menu will pop up. In that, choose meet between 2 points option. Now it is prompting you to select first point, then click this center point and second point will be here in the circle. As you can see, exactly midpoint a circle is provided. Now enter. It is radius, say 5 units, and press enter. Let's check. It is exactly midpoint. Take a line from this center to this center. As you can see, it passes through the center of this circle. Next, I will explain how to use from points. Let's say I have a line here, a circle. I want to move this circle to 10 units away from the end of this line. For that, I will use from command. Make sure your auto mode is on. Select move command, then select object and press enter to finish the selection. Now it is asking a base point. Just click the center point. Now I want to move this circle at 10 units away from this circle. So type from from on your keyboard and press enter. Now it is asking to pick on a point. Click this end point and drag a little away. A tracking vector will be shown. Type 10 units and press enter. As you can see, the circle is 10 units away from the end point of this line. Let's check DIS and press enter. Press center and press enter. Choose center point and end point and press enter. As you can see, 10 unit gap is kept between the center of the circle and end point of this line. Next we have tracking. Let's see some examples using tracking command. Let's say I want to draw a circle exactly at the center of this rectangle. So click circle. Now type TRA to initiate tracking command and press enter. Click midpoint of this line and move your cursor upward, and again pick a point from this line and move horizontal. The center of the circle has been selected automatically. Just add radius. In this case I will type 3 as radius and press enter. Now we will check if this circle is at the center of this rectangle. Take a line, draw from the edge to the other edge and click the circle. As you can see, the circle is placed in the center. This is all about Advanced Object Snap.